The Nokia 8 Sirocco is the pride jewel of Nokia's crown. With its upcoming launch in India, we got our hands on a unit to unbox. Let's take a closer look. Now, for better or worse, the outer packaging of the Nokia 8 Sirocco's box falls right in line with the rest of the Nokia lineup. A white box with Nokia branding on the top, a large image of the phone, and the signature holding hands. The sides of the box continue with the minimal Nokia 8 Sirocco branding. Meanwhile, at the back you'll find a full list of specifications. This includes the 5.5-inch POLED 2K screen, Snapdragon 835 processor, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, 12 and 13 megapixel rear cameras, a 5 megapixel front camera, as well as wireless charging. Taking off the top lid, there's the phone on top, of course. We found that the Sirocco comes rather well equipped in terms of in-box accessories, and these are packed up in nooks and crannies around the box. First off, there's the requisite SIM eject tool. Next up is a USB Type-C cable, and this would go into the quick charge compatible charger that is provided in the box. There's the standard support material and warranty information too. Now, since the Nokia 8 Sirocco doesn't include a headphone jack, there's both a 3.5mm dongle and a USB-C earphone included in the package. This is more generous than most devices that we've come across. Since we've already brought you a pretty in-depth video of the 8 Sirocco from MWC, we're going to keep it short here. But if there's one thing to be said about the phone, it has to be the design. The Sirocco is without a doubt a fantastic looking phone that has exceptional hand feel despite the somewhat heavier build. No, it doesn't have an 18:9 aspect ratio, but the tack-sharp 5.5-inch dual curved screen sits almost perfectly in the hand. The stainless steel bezels on all sides further add to the quality. Over at the back, the glass has been polished to a sheen. You'll spot the dual camera modules with the 2x optical zoom here, as well as Android One branding. Yes, the 8 Sirocco is going to get the absolute latest updates as quickly as possible, and it is already running Android 8.1 with the April security patch on it. We'll go in depth with the Nokia 8 Sirocco in our full review, but if there's one takeaway here, it would be that, like the original, the Sirocco is surely going to be turning heads everywhere. Watch out for the full review on phonearena.com. Thanks for watching.